Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Counter-Strike 2 failed to create D3D device error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your GPU drivers is fully updated, and to do so I'm using a NVIDIA GPU. So there is an app called GeForce Experience. I downloaded it from official NVIDIA website, and what I need to do here is to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for me, I can download and install, restart my computer, and I need to look if the problem persists or not. And also you can go to device manager, and then here should be display adapters here, and then right click on it and update driver, and then here you can search automatically for drivers. And if this doesn't help, another thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your game files is not corrupted. So you just need to go to CS2, right click on it, and then you just need to go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. It will take you a few minutes to complete, but then if your files was corrupted, it will be fixed, right? And if this doesn't help, then what you need to do here, you need to remove launch options commands. On CS2, maybe if we go on properties and then here launch options, basically try to clear this box here and leave it empty, and then run the game, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to try to launch the game in windowed mode, and to do so, just on the launch options write -windowed, and game will open up in the windowed mode, and your error should be gone. And if this doesn't help, then just go to in-game and try to change your resolution options, like your aspect ratio, your display resolution, and other stuff, and then restart the game. Same thing with your basically video settings. Try to lower your game graphics, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And these fixes should help you to basically fix your failed to create D3D device error on CS2. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.